31 University. Partial exam 2080 Bachelor level 4 years program education B.Ed second year Animal Science second Science education 428 minor subject question paper full marks 40 time 1 hour and 30 minutes. There are given 3 groups. In group A there are 7 multiple choice questions. Each question has mark 1 and total marks of group A is 7. In group B there are given 3 questions. Each question has mark 7 and total mark of group B is 21. There is given 1 or question in group B. In group C there is given one question and of 12 marks and there is given 1 or question in group C. In this way the total marks of this paper is 40. Group A attempt all questions, pick the best answer. Number 1. The pest control method of sterile insect technique is A. Chemical, B. Physical, C. Biological, D. Mechanical. Question number 2. Conversion of digested food into protoplasma in the body cell of animal is called A. Abortion, B. Egestion, C. Assimilation, D. Stimulation. Question number 3. Which of the following animal is carnivorous? A. Housefly, B. Hydra, C. Apple snail, D. Starfish. Question number 4. First two stages of larvae in ascaris occur in A. Host cavity, B. Uterus, C. Egg themselves, D. Body cavity. Question number 5. Which of the following animal belongs to protanders? A. Wucheria, B. Hydra, C. Ascaris, D. Mosquito. Question number 6. The green color of bile is due to the presence of A. Cholesterol, B. Tarcolet, C. Biliverdin, D. Bicarbonates. Question number 7. Which type of joint occur in the wrist joint? A. Saddle joint, B. Bleeding joint, C. Hinge joint, D. Angular joint. Group B. Attempt all the questions. Question number 1. Explain types of necessary ponds for fish farming in Nepal. Or question. What is the embryology? Describe the different phases of development of embryo in rabbit. Question number 2. Describe the structure and function of optical organ with a well-labeled diagram. Question number 3. Define an evolution. Give an account of Darwin's theory of natural selection. Group C. Question number 4. What is the meaning of pest? Explain integrated pest management with ecological approach and its importance in developing countries like Nepal. Or question. Write down an essay on different types of silkworm, its life history and different useful products and byproduct obtained from semiculture. B.Ed फर्स्ट इयरदेखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका कम्पलसरी तथा अप्सनल सब्जेक्टका प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर 1am को प्लेलिस्टमा B.Ed मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोज्नुहोला र आफ्नो विषयको प्रश्नपत्र खोजी तयारी राम्रो गर्नुहोला र इक्जाम राम्रोसँग दिनुहोला। भिडियोलाई कमेन्ट, सब्सक्राइब, सेयर र लाइक गर्न नबिर्सनुहोला र अन्य आवश्यक परेको कुराहरू कमेन्टमा लेख्दै जानुहोला। धन्यवाद।